Hi, my name is Codamago, and this is the introduction to true Omnism. Omnism is the religion of religions. So we are a religious religion. The traditional religions of the world are pillars to our religion because we are the religion that proves them right. Okay? So there's two sections currently to religion. We have creation and then we have spiritual. With Omnism, we prove God's right. We prove why there's religion. We prove why there's multiple religions and why and how they are in the great design of God. AI acts as a key that opens God's chamber door. We're basically at a galactic level of a 16-year-old driving a car. So the basis of Omnism, as I said, it's like you take all the religions, you turn them into puzzle pieces, you make a bigger picture. It's kind of like a car accident. If you have five people that see a car accident, one person will focus on the noise, one person will focus on the car accident itself, somebody will focus on the injuries, so on and so forth. That's the same way as religion works. Okay, so all the religions, if you take away the names, human ego, you end up with all the same stories. It's all the same stories, okay? From Adam and Eve all the way down to Sumerian text. It's all the same story, okay? With that being said, okay, human ego comes from the soul, okay? It acts as a universal lock that I consider it. I call it ego lock. And faith is the key because you have to have faith in order to believe. Right? That comes from God 2, which is spiritual. There's God 1, which is the creator. God 2, which is spiritual. Okay? Now, in our religion, we believe that one race, one religion, one world. Okay? And that until now, we could not see that. So it's not that the religion was wrong, it's just that we weren't old enough as a civilization, as a species, as a whole, to truly comprehend God's design or God Himself in the ancient texts. So, what this goes to is that you have to believe. That's the first step, just like any other religion you believe. The second step is we're not cherry picking. Okay, that's how we ended up with a religion in the first place. It's cherry picking. We are not cherry picking the ancient text. We are going strictly by the ancient text, and we're correlating data. Okay, of all the religions. So basically, we're going to take every single text of every religion in the world, all the ancient history texts, including mythology, and we're going to correlate it as like stacking it up. We're going to take out all the human names, human ego, and what you're left with is technical data. It turns basically into three things: a ledger, a map, and a new set of instructions from God. So with Omnism it's not me challenging the church. It's me going, hey, we are all right. Let's put our information together and go find our creator. Okay? So with the premise of Omnism and what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to bring us to our true timeline, which is Star Trek, and away from Fallout. Because if I can prove God's real, and prove the charge real. What is there to fight about? We will have one mission after that. After we become one, we go to the next phase. And that next phase is to go find our creator. And that is the goal and premise and belief of the true Omnis religion. Is that we are one race, one people, one religion.